Home Remedies presents
Just 1 teaspoon a day for strong bones and joints. Osteoporosis literally means porous bones. That means someone diagnosed with the disease has lost so much density that there's not much there to hold their bones together, putting them at greater risk for bone breaks and fractures. Discover how to strengthen bones and joints in 7 days. The healthiest natural remedy for cartilage regeneration. Just take 1 teaspoon in the morning before breakfast and your bones and joints will be grateful. Say goodbye to osteoporosis. All the ingredients are healthy and natural, and the recipe prepares in less than 5 minutes. It is an ideal combination for the regeneration of joints and bones. Collagen in beef gelatin reduces pain in the knees, shoulders, and other joints and suppresses inflammation in the body. You can forget about the pain and the usual morning stiffness in the joints. Ingredients needed: flaxseed 60 grams, sesame seeds 40 grams, pumpkin seeds 40 grams, beef gelatin 10 grams, 50 grams of raisins, homemade honey 200 grams. Preparation: take the required quantity of flaxseed, sesame seed and pumpkin seeds and put in a blender. Blend thoroughly to make a powder. Now take measured quantity of beef gelatin powder and raisins and also add them in the blender. Blend for 30 to 60 seconds. Grind everything to a fine powder. We will use meadow honey for this recipe. You can also use acacia honey, forest honey. Measure 200 grams and add it to the blended mixture in an airtight jar. Mix thoroughly. You can store in the refrigerator and take a teaspoonful daily in the morning before breakfast. You will feel much better in 7 days. You can store this remedy for 30 days in a row and then make a fresh batch.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.